Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to show you how I transformed my outdated breakfast nook into a fresh French country modern space. I mixed in some antiques, added contemporary touches, and brought in a few custom details. Let's dive in. 1. Lighting. The transformation of my breakfast nook occurred over the course of 3 years. First, I swapped out the old light fixture for this statement piece. This elegant and contemporary chandelier with frosted crystal beads is more than 4 feet tall. It blends a contemporary design with a vintage feel, and the antique gold finish gives off a warm, inviting glow. 2. Paint. Next was painting the walls and ceiling a crisp, clean, matte white color, and the baseboard and crown trim a semi-gloss sheen of the same paint color. Once the room was painted, it instantly brightened up the space and made it feel so much bigger and more open. It's the perfect backdrop for everything else to pop. 3. Window treatments. Another key update was the relaxed Roman shades. I went with a slightly off-white linen-like fabric, which creates a soft textured contrast against the crisp white walls. The black border trim adds a bold detail that ties in perfectly with the black accents in the space. I love how these shades feel light and breezy, while the black trim adds just the right amount of contrast and modern touch. It's a small detail, but it really elevates the entire space. 4. Table and dining chairs. Since the breakfast nook space is essentially tall bay windows carving out this semicircular shape, it needed a table that flowed with the space. I sourced a 48-inch wide French country modern round dining table with an iron base and a marble top, which adds a sophisticated, timeless element to the space. To complete the look, I worked with a professional who reupholstered the dining chairs and painted the frames black. The old fabric was not in the best shape, so we replaced it with a textured linen-like fabric on the seat back and a contemporary patterned seat that includes a subtle hint of mint green. 5. Decor and accessories. Of course, no space is complete without decor and accessories. Wicker adds texture and warmth to my space, with pieces like the woven planter and baskets for functional organization. The plant brings life, color, and a fresh, natural energy to the room, while the wicker softens the space, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. And here's the final result. The white walls, new chandelier, relaxed Roman shades, and reupholstered chairs have completely transformed this nook. Wicker decor, from the textured planter to the woven baskets, adds warmth and natural charm, while the mint green accents in the artwork and chairs bring in a refreshing pop of color. The black trim on the shades ties everything together, creating a balanced and inviting space. I'm so in love with how this nook turned out. It's where our family has many casual meals and the perfect spot to relax, sip my coffee, and enjoy the morning light. I hope this makeover gives you some ideas for your own spaces, whether it's adding color accents, mixing modern and vintage, or creating a relaxed atmosphere. I hope you love seeing this transformation. If you'd like to recreate this look, I've curated a selection of similar items all through my exclusive Amazon storefront. If you're interested in transforming your own space, I offer design consultations, which you can book in 30-minute, 1 hour, or 2 hour sessions through my website. With the holiday season approaching, I also have gift certificate packages available, perfect for treating someone special to the luxury of a personalized design experience. These options are all linked below, or you can visit www.houseofshima.com. I'd love the opportunity to work together and design a space that truly captures your personal style and aspirations. Let me know what you think of my breakfast nook transformation and feel free to share your own design tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And see you next time. Stay tuned for more luxury design tips and inspiration. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook for daily updates and behind the scenes looks. I'm looking forward to connecting with you again in the next video.